Don't let your heart skip a beat. Act now. In London and Surrey, waiting weeks for cardiac care is a thing of the past. Our fast-track cardiac clinics are designed with you in mind. Professional, reliable and quick in Harley Street, Richmond, Teddington and Epsom. Get your heart checked today. Don't delay. Our team of top-class cardiologists, physiologists and cardiac nurses are ready to give you the care you deserve. No long waits, no endless uncertainty. WhatsApp or email us to discuss your health and find the best solution. Your heart matters. Make the smart choice for your health today. Fast Track also provide mobile cardiac health checks, quick and reliable cardiac services in London and Surrey, ECG Holter monitor cardiac rhythm patches, ambulatory BP monitor, echocardiogram, cardiology consultation, pacemaker and cardiac defibrillator, cardiac nurse home visits. Because your heart deserves the best. Visit our website www.fasttrackcc.org.